Justajolt here. Now, a question was asked a few days ago by a Nerf user regarding the swarm fire, and I thought to myself, well, do you know what? I've actually put 4 IMRs in one of these before, and it was tremendous amounts of fun, but the question was, how many could you use? I don't think that was exactly the question, but I'm going to kind of paraphrase just because I haven't done a blaster abuse video in a little while, and this is my excuse to do it. And no, the other ones do not count. They are not blaster abuse. They are serious modding videos. Do you like my new artwork, by the way? Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with this in stock and I'm going to fire it. Then I'm going to try it with 3 IMRs because stock would be 9 volts. You can get 6 1.5 AA batteries in this. Then you're going to move up to 3 IMRs, which is going to be 11.1 volts. Then we're going to move up from there and see how far we go. I'm excited. 8 IMRs in a little blaster like this. Something like the Havokfire you can kind of understand, but something little and diddy like this, I've got no idea what it's going to do. And at the end of the video, I'm going to burn some stuff, which isn't a blaster for once. Stock. This box was meant to catch all the darts so that I wouldn't have to run around collecting them. I managed to get 2 in. That's pretty pathetic actually, so we're going to see if we can't get any better. So yeah, let's stick some IMRs in now. I've just kind of noticed how this blaster seems to kind of spew out the batteries. Watch this. It just kind of spits them out. It was much more dramatic when I did it just now. There we go, they all sort of... 3 IMRs. Oh my goodness, that was like a lower rate of success. I don't think I got any. I got 1 in, call it a half, 1.5, and there were 2 that were kind of stuck to that, but they fell off. Anyway, so that was 3 IMRs. That was a bit quicker. Let's do another one. It's actually quite difficult to hold this blaster because it's kind of round. It sort of wants to fall over, and the problem is if it goes over, it spews the darts out everywhere. So the Havokfire chain collection bag, which you can see in another video, I'll put a link to it just there because I'm all kind of clever like that, has just become the dart collection bag, and it looks really happy about it. It's got this really kind of disturbing smile. So anyway, let's see how this goes. Oh my goodness. Well, I guess that's what it was smiling about. It was smiling about the fact it was going to spew them all back out of me. I cannot believe that. It's caught one dart. So 4 IMRs, a bit of a quicker rate of fire. Maybe I should have seen that coming. They just kind of bounced off the back. Look at it. It's laughing at me. What the heck? Man, I managed to... Do you know what? This is really, really hard. Look, if you try doing this one-handed, I dare anyone to try changing the batteries in this one-handed because it's actually really difficult. I can't even hold it like this because I can't get the screwdriver down there. Oh man, and look, you can't... It just falls over. Blaster 1 just... And the problem is if I hold it like this, I know what's going to happen. The batteries are going to just kind of vomit out. Yep, there's Jolt's hand. That's what we all came here to see. High quality filming this. You know, it occurred to me there's actually a blaster that I haven't done yet in terms of the worker mags. I didn't put any worker mags into a Stampede. I'm sure they work because of course it's a Springer, so it's going to shake things around a lot. So mechanical Springer. I don't know. Is there a special word for this type of blaster, like the Havokfire and the Swarm Fire and the Speed Swarm? I think they're mechanical Springers, aren't they? Is that right? 5 IMRs. Ha! Take that, bag! This is now 6 IMRs, and this is 22.2 volts. So this is the point where I guess I'd start to get a little bit worried that the mechanism here might start to struggle. But yeah, we saw pretty funky stuff happen with the Havokfire as a result of old volting a normally 9 volt blaster. So let's see if something amazing doesn't start to happen here too. Alright then, so here we have 6 IMRs, 22.2 volts. Well, that was an awful lot of fun there. Let's do another one. There are 2 kinds of fires in this world. There are the kind that are sort of fun and happen on bonfire night and other special occasions. Then there are the kind that happen because of stupidity. This is possibly one of the second. If you intend to do something like this, please talk to the person who pays your house insurance first. Having to hold this upside down feel like a bit of a gangster actually. Opening fire. Whoa! So that's what it does on 7 IMRs. Let's move to 8. So here we are, this is the full Monty, we're loaded up, good to go, and I hope this is as much fun as I think it could be. Okay, so Rab, I think that... Oh, no, it's okay, it's okay. Do you know what? I thought I'd broken this blaster and just answered Rab's question on Britnerf, but it looks like one of the batteries just fell out. We're gonna load up and do that again. Even though the battery did pop out, I am now genuinely struggling to get this firing again. I've even put duct tape around it to hold it in place, and I think that I've genuinely killed a speed swarm. Sorry for any of you guys who absolutely love speed swarms. I think I've killed this one. Guilty as charged.
It putteth thou in the IMRs, and proceed to the number 6. Stoppeth thou at 6. 7 is too much. 8 will wreck your speed swarm. Actually, looking at this, it's a pretty big shell, so even if at some point I can't get it running again, I'm fairly certain I can put something pretty darn cool into this shell to make a really unique and fun blaster.
Say hello to my friend the blowtorch. This is my faithful companion in various different burning situations, and I just thought I'd burn some magnesium for you just to say thanks for 50 subs. Birdie. Magnesium burning there to magnesium oxide reacting with the oxygen in the air. See it burning all the way down there, and that white stuff that's hanging off down below is the magnesium oxide. Completely harmless. In fact, if you're struggling to poop, you can use it as a laxative. Even more fun to get a big wad of it like this and burn it.